Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see how to make DIY session ending assessment worksheets for playgroup kids aged 2.5 plus years. Okay, and this is the first worksheet for EVS subject, that is environmental science, and in that the first one is identify the common fruits. So if the child identifies, just put a small tick. Otherwise, if the child doesn't identify, put a dash like this. So the next worksheet, that is the second worksheet, is identify common fruits and color it appropriately. So the child will identify the fruit first, so put a small tick. Then if the child colors the fruit appropriately, say red, then you can put a one more tick beside the first one. Then the third worksheet is identify the common vegetables: brinjal, lady's finger, potato, carrot, tomato, greens, beetroot, bitter gourd, etc. Then circle the odd ones. Ask the child to look at the pictures in each row and ask him to circle which is odd. So apple, pineapple, apple, apple, which is odd or different? This one. Net, net, mug, net. So net, like this. Then this is the fourth worksheet. Then the next worksheet is the child must identify the colors and color in these boxes provided. For example, you give a crayon box and ask the child to identify the crayons. For example, if you say color the first circle blue, the child will pick a crayon and then color the circle in blue color. Then if the child has identified the color correctly, put a tick. So for example, this is yellow. The child will pick a yellow color crayon from the crayon box and he will color it yellow like this. As you say the color to the child will pick the crayon and color it accordingly. And the next worksheet, that is the sixth worksheet, is identify the common objects: book, TV, basket, vase, bucket, ball. If the child identifies, put a tick, otherwise put a dash. Then the seventh worksheet is identify the common, like animals, birds, water animals, shapes, festivals, national symbols, seasons, vehicles, etc. So for these common things you cannot draw the picture. You can take a general picture reading book and you can ask the child to identify the animal which you show them. It's not necessary that you have to draw pictures like this. You can show any picture reading book and ask the child to identify. For example, you're asking the child to identify water animals. Take the page in the book where water animal is and ask him to identify the pictures which you point. Then the next worksheet that is the 8th worksheet, is oral activities. Ask what is the child's name, father name, mother name, brother or sister names, favorite color, favorite food, favorite fruit, favorite vegetable. Ask, then you can also ask the child to tell his favorite story. Then any 6 rhymes in English, any 2 or 3 rhymes in mother tongue or regional language. So all these activities will help you assess the child and know where the child is. And based on this, you can give more of revision activities which the child has to prepare to go on for class nursery. So after playgroup, it is nursery. Playgroup age is from 1.5 years plus to 2.5 years plus. Then for nursery it is from 2.5 years plus to 3.5 years. So within the age 2.5 years, the child must have at least the basic knowledge of the playgroup syllabus. He must be well versed in oral activities and also be able to write standing line, sleeping line, and also trace other pre-writing strokes like circle, so that it is easy for the child to write alphabets that are required for nursery class. So the child must master writing standing line and sleeping line, and also he must master tracing over the dots. For example, this one, the child must be able to trace over simple lines and simple shapes like square, circle, all these things. So this is enough for a child who is 2.5 years, so that these basic skills will help him in his nursery class. Thank you for watching.